हेलो जी, क्या हाल है आपका। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब बिल्कुल खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज की हमारी वीडियो है ट्रेडिंग पे टॉप 10 डे ट्रेडिंग टिप्स फॉर बिगिनर। आज मैं आपको 10 दिन ट्रेडिंग टिप्स बताऊंगा, 10 दिन वाली, अगर आप स्टार्टिंग में हैं तो। हम चले जाने इस वेबसाइट पे। 10 डे ट्रेडिंग टिप्स फॉर बिगिनर। हम इधर से स्टार्ट करते हैं। डे ट्रेडिंग इज़ अ एक्ट ऑफ बाइंग एंड सेलिंग अ फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट विदिन द सेम डे और इवन मल्टीपल टाइम्स over the course of a day. Taking advantage of small price moves can be a lucrative game if it is played correctly. Yet it can be dangerous for beginner and anyone else who does not adhere to a well thought strategy. Not all brokers are suited for a high volume of trades. Day trading generators, on the other hand, some fit perfectly with day trades. Check out our list for the best brokers for day trading for those that accommodate individuals who would like to take trade. The online broker on our list, interactive broker and vulnerable, who have professional or advanced version of their platform that feature real-time streamings, codes, advanced charting tools, and the ability to enter and modify complex order in quick sessions. Below, we will take a look at 10-day trading strategy for beginner. Then we will consider when to buy and sell, basic charts and partners, and how to limit losses. देखते हैं जी की टेकअवेज। Day trading is only profitable in the long run when traders take it seriously and do their research. Second point, day traders must be diligent, focused, objective, and unemotional in their work. Third point, interactive brokers and vulnerable are two recommended online brokers for day trades. Fourth point, day, trade, day trades often look at quickly, volatility, and volume when deciding what stocks to buy. Fifth point, some tools that day traders use to pinpoint buying points include can, candlestick chart, partners, trade lines, and triangles and volume. इनका जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है वो है नॉलेज इज पावर। इन एडिशन टू नॉलेज ऑफ डे ट्रेडिंग प्रोसीजर्स, डे ट्रेड्स नीड टू कीप अप with the latest stock market news and events that affect stock. This can include the federal civil system, interest rate plans, leading indicator announcements, and their economic, business, and financial news. So do your homework, make a wish list of stock you do like to trade, keep yourself informed about the selected companies, their stock, and general market scan, business news, and bookmark reliable online stock outlets. सेकंड हम पढ़ते हैं सेट असाइड फंड्स, assesses and comment to the amount of capital you are willing to risk on each trade. Many successful day traders risk less than 1% to 2% of their account per trade. If you have a $40,000 trading account and are willing to risk 0.5% of your capital on each trade, your maximum loss per trade is $200, which is 0.5% मल्टीप्लाई $40,000। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।